We delight in the beauty of butterflies, but rarely admit the changes it had gone through to achieve that beauty. We loved your performance, little friends. Unless you challenge yourself, you will not learn, you will not grow. Education is the art of challenging and overcoming. Our school life has helped us to overcome so many challenges, and we have come out victorious. So, if you have a chance to go back to your longer classes, which class would you prefer? I will go back to play home because I can be free like the butterfly.